Hey guys, it's Jamie, and in this video, we're going through how to add new patients, how to merge families together, how to remove someone from a family file when necessary. Things come up all the time in day-to-day life. People get married, people get divorced, kids grow up and they need their own family file and their own account. So we're going to walk through exactly step by step how to do all of that in depth. Let's go. Hey, real quick before we jump into the tutorial, if your office is scrambling to find great hygiene temps, you've got to check out Teero. It's a total game changer. You post your open shift and it instantly goes out to their entire network of hygienists. You can see real ratings and reviews from other offices, pick who you want, book them in seconds. No endless texting, no agencies, just fast, simple, reliable coverage. If you want to try it out, use the link in my description and code JamieTech. That's one word. When you sign up, it drops you straight into their super easy onboarding. All right, now let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so we're going to start by adding a new patient. So in the family file where you go to select a patient, you'll come down to the bottom and click new family. This will open up a whole new family file where you can enter their information. So let's go ahead and enter our patient's information here. You also want to make sure that you change the status of the patient right here where this is, change it from non-patient to patient. That way it activates your patient. I forgot to do it in the video, but you can see it right here. Then you click OK. And now our patient Meredith is officially in the system. So that's how you add a new patient to their own new family file. So at this point, our patient tells us that she's getting married soon and that her fiance is already a patient in our office. The big day comes, they get married, and now they want to start sharing billing, insurance, all of that. We need to merge them into the same family file. We need to merge our patient Meredith's family file with her fiance. So to do that, we want to first open her now husband's family file. So navigate up here to select a patient and we type in our patient's name here. Now we're going to open his family file. So once we're in her husband's family file, to get the two files to merge together, you're going to go up to the top and click edit family relations. So you'll see this. So this patient, Derek Shepard, he's the head of household for his family file because he's the only person in it. So that makes sense. So then we want to merge him with his wife, Meredith. So we're going to go on this side and click new family, find our patient. And now we have our two patients, Derek and Meredith, and we're going to merge their files together. So you just click this merge button here in the middle and it shows it moved Meredith's into Derek's family file, which now kept Derek head of household. Now, had we wanted that to be opposite, you would have just flipped those two around when you did it from the get-go. You can also still change it after the fact. It's not that big of a deal, but this merges these two files together. So you'll click next and it just lets you know you can undo this, which you can. We can remove somebody from the family and we'll show you how to do that here in just a minute. Okay, so it shows you what their balances are as of today, just to let you know what you're merging together financially. And then you click finish. And now you can see our patients are merged into one family file. Okay, so now we're going to look at adding a new family member. So for this family, say they have a child, we're going to now add that child as a new patient to this existing family file. So to do that, you're going up to File and click Add New Family Member, and this pulls up this screen. So we'll type in our patient's name and all of their information. Once you have all of that information in there, click OK. And that adds now their child to their family file. So you can see all of their information here together has merged and everyone is now in one family file. Okay, so lastly, we're going to look at how to remove a family member. So this happens a lot for a lot of different reasons. Divorce, kids grow up, they become adults, they get on their own insurance and they need their own chart. So that's what we're going to do now. So now let's say that their daughter Zola has now grown up and she has her own insurance. She has a big girl job and she needs her own family file. So we need to remove her from her parent. So to do that, we'll go back up here to edit family relations. We'll select the patient that we want to move out of the family. And then right here in the middle, select move. And now you can see Zola Gray Shepherd over here in a new family. She will be her own head of household. And then you just click next. It says you're choosing to move an existing patient to a new family. It will remove their current patient from the current family file. That's fine. Hit next. It shows you balances and transactions before you complete these steps. So you can click review those and click through and click finish. And now you can see this patient Zola is now in her own chart on her own. A couple of really important things to note about this when we're merging families or removing somebody from a family. Families can have a balance and still be edited, but patients cannot be moved from their family file if anyone in the family has an outstanding claim or a pre-treatment estimate. So if there's a pre-auth outstanding or an insurance claim, you have to clear that up first before you can edit the family relation. So 2 options here. One, you can wait until the insurance claim is paid and then you post that payment. Same with the pre-authorization. You can wait until that's back and post the information. Once it's cleared, then you can move the families around. The other option, which is quicker if you want to do this right away, you can simply delete out the insurance claim. Now, don't delete the procedures attached, but just delete the claim, move the patient, and then recreate the claim under their new file. Same with the pre-authorization. So those are just a couple things that I feel like are important to note that come up quite often. When you're merging files, you may see an error message, and that's what that's relating to. You can't merge or move families in and out of their family file until you clear up any pending insurance claims or pre-treatment estimates. So that gives you an overview of how to add new patients in, how to change family dynamics. We all know things happen all the time. Life is great and messy and things happen. And sometimes that changes what we need to adjust in our Dentrix system. I hope that this video helped you understand how to navigate all of those things within the family file and make your day-to-day a little bit easier. Subscribe to this channel if you're into dental tech tips and tutorials. I put a new video out every week. So I will see you guys next time.